Hey guys, so andito tayo sa may Calamba tent at aatin ako ng event.
Today, nandito tayo sa First Laguna Event Expo 2025 and grabe, I'm super excited. And syempre, first of all is magre-register muna ako as a content creator. Ito yung kauna-unahang event expo dito sa Laguna.
Hey guys, so andito na ako sa event, yung Laguna Event Expo. So makikita natin dito ang iba't ibang businesses like mga catering.
At ang daming nakaset up from event stylists, coordinators, caterers, lahat ng kailangan mo para sa perfect event, nandito na.
Hi guys, grabe, ang ganda dito.
Kung nagpaplano ka ng wedding, debut, birthday, corporate event, or kahit simpleng gathering lang, promise this vlog is for you. Tara!
Laguna Event Expo, eh! So, today guys, ililibot ko kayo dito sa event para makita nyo kung ano yung mga iba't ibang businesses dito guys. Like this. Ito guys, so amazing. Ayan. So, madami pang iba guys, like this one. Oh my gosh, ang ganda guys.
Sobrang saya guys dahil ito yung first event ko dito sa Calamba, Laguna at ang daming booths as in punong-puno ng creativity and inspiration from floral arrangements, lights, tablescapes, sobrang ganda ng mga setup nila. And that's it for today's vlog. Grabe, sobrang saya dito sa First Laguna Event Expo 2025. Ang dami ko natutunan at na-discover. Kung nagpaplano ka ng kahit anong event, this is the place to be. And this is Ali, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!